All right, hi, my name is Scott Stevenson. What's a panelized lighting system without a panel? I wanted to at least kind of show you some of the nice features we put into ours, into the Control 4 panel. First thing is, you'll see, up here at the top where you're, both top and bottom, we've got a lot of room here for wiring. When we looked at some of the stuff that was out there and we talked to electricians, the biggest complaint was there's never enough room to put all those wires. So we gave you plenty of room up here, both at the top and bottom, to bring your line voltage wire in if you need to. It's plenty of knockouts at both top and bottom to bring stuff in. Another cool feature, let's say you're bringing all of your line voltage stuff in from the top and your low voltage stuff in from the bottom. Well, our divider here, which is that class 1, class 2, or my line voltage, low voltage divider, actually swivels. So if I'm bringing everything in from the top, all my line voltage in from the top, I can swivel this all the way to the right, lock it in place, bring all my line voltage in. I can use all of those knockouts up here at the top for my line voltage wires, bring my low voltage in from the bottom. If I've got let's say I got a whole bunch of 0 to 10 volt lights, then I got a lot of low voltage wires coming in. Great, no problem. Swivel it over this way, and I've got a lot more knockouts to use for my low voltage. So really convenient that way. Some other things, we just went ahead and put some knockouts here on the sides. Just another place you can bring some stuff in if you need to. Also, along both sides, we've got some places where you can tie your wires back, put in a zip tie and, do a nice clean wiring job. Most of you tend to be pretty proud of your wiring jobs, and so we wanted to give you a way to make this look nice and clean inside the cabinet. And then, we've got the ground bus bars are mounted in here. The terminal blocks are sold separately. They don't actually come installed in the panel. The reason for that is there's a different one for each type of module. We don't know what module is going where inside the panel, so you buy the terminal blocks separately. But real easy to mount those 2 screws and they're in and you're done. And then you're ready to go to town wiring. So one final feature of our panel that I think is pretty cool. You can see here we've gone ahead, we've got everything wired up and installed, and you can see that the modules actually protrude through the panel. What's great about that, you can see the channel LEDs and the buttons there. I can see the status of that each one of those lights. I've got easy control. I just have to press the buttons here. I can control every single individual light in the system without having to come and remove this whole cover, expose all the wiring and everything. It's great if the control system is down for some reason or the network is down. You've got really easy access to every single light and being able to control it. If for some reason though, if you want to prevent that kind of access, there is a security cover that can be got separately and just mounted across there. It prevents all that access to it. So again, this is the Control 4 panelized lighting panel. It's more than just a can.